I'm here in Sölden, our first World Cup race of the season. Unfortunately, yesterday the women's race was cancelled. It's looking like the men's race is going ahead today. I'm standing right on the edge of the course here. It's actually an incredibly steep slope. It's a black run down here, basically steep, hard and icy, and that is what the conditions are going to be like when those racers come down the giant slalom course right next to me now. Very excited to be here. I've come here with the clothing brand Helly Hansen, who sponsor the Norwegian team. That's a new sponsorship deal, and they also, of course, already sponsor the Canadian Alpine ski team as well. So it's a very exciting weekend to be here at the beginning of the season. And race conditions are looking good for today. So here I am at the top of the course, near the top of the GS course now. And I'm actually going to try and ski down the side of the GS course on the same slope, basically, as the guys are going to be coming down afterwards. Same gradient, same kind of iciness, hardness, not quite as rutted. I'm going to have to hold my phone and my poles, so let's see how that goes. Right. So here goes. That's a good start. Drop the pole. I'm probably not going quite as fast as those guys might come down here, but you know, it's really hard and it's really icy. I'm coming down off the steepest section now. I'm going as fast as I can, safely, with other people around. Over there on the slope, I haven't got any poles in my hand, so it's super tricky. I'm just holding on this guy, got to get around this guy here. Now I'm coming down pretty quickly now. Coming down into the finish line area. I've got to watch this person though. There they are. My legs are getting a little bit tired now. It's flattening out. A lot flatter here. I go quite fast, but with people crossing the slope, be careful here with walkers. Coming right down the flat part, same as the GS course there. Coming past this guy, I don't want to hit him. Coming down into the bottom finish area. So here we are, coming right down into the bottom, a bit fast here. I gotta slow down. Woo! Yeah, that was fast.